Hello there. To bring this week to a close, we have a warmer day, feeling quite muggy and humid as well. More of that moisture in the air tending to mean we do start off with quite a bit of cloud. But if the sun comes out, the very nature of the air that's tracked across us means temperatures will actually shoot up a good few degrees higher than they have been in recent days. We certainly start off pretty mild right the way across the UK. Temperatures already in the mid-teens first thing. Some rain around as the day begins across Scotland and northern England. And I think a wet story almost throughout for Scotland and quite breezy at times too. For northern England, also some heavier rain around through the rush hour, particularly to the east of the Pennines. Further south, quite a bit of cloud initially, a chance of a few brighter spells, but perhaps not that much widespread sunshine initially. And particularly as we head down towards the south coast, a lot of low cloud, Mr. Murk getting fed in off the channel. So here, some pretty grey prospects. And across the moors of the southwest, a lot of low cloud, some hill fog, and it's a very similar story for Wales. Your best chance of seeing any early morning brightness is to the lee of the Welsh mountains. For Northern Ireland, after a pretty wet night, at least we start the day on a dry footing. The rain here clearing through to the north, still pretty cloudy, however. If we pull out then and take a look at the bigger picture and see how the day pans out, you'll see the rain does linger for Scotland, gradually easing across northern England. Here I think so much brighter prospects to the east of the Pennines through the afternoon. Elsewhere, relatively dry story, but always struggling, I think, to see some decent spells of sunshine in the west. In the east, though, when the sun comes out, as promised, the temperatures are likely to really shoot up. I think quite possibly hitting 23, maybe 24 across eastern England. The low 20s towards the west, still a shade cooler to the far north of Scotland. All of that warm air has come up in this pocket here in association with this area of low pressure coming in from the west. Tightly packed isobars, you guessed, strong winds, and also this weather front here, a cold weather front, and that will bring another set of changes for the weekend. So the weekend throughout a windy story, outbreaks of rain on Saturday working their way eastwards on our cold front. Cold front, though, the key phrase. To the east, still pretty warm on Saturday, 23, 24. Towards the west, temperatures already sinking down into the high teens. Sunday, if anything, set to get windier still. Outbreaks of rain getting fed in on the wind as well, and temperatures certainly a little lower by this stage than across the board. As for the start of the new week, some very windy prospects indeed. Certainly autumn is with us now, and the weekend will be your first proper taste, I think, of that.